Perched high above the French Riviera, this contemporary estate in Villefranche-sur-mer reimagines Mediterranean living. Designed by a renowned South African architect, the 1,000 square meter residence spans 3 elevator-connected levels, marrying clean-lined modernism with its dramatic natural topography. Large glass expanses invite the changing coastal light indoors, creating a continuous dialogue between the double living room and the panoramic vistas of St. Jean Cap Ferrat.
Beyond the architecture, the property supports a lifestyle that balances active leisure with serious relaxation. On-site facilities include a professional gym, a game room, and a choice of either an indoor or outdoor cinema, ideal for debating film classics under the stars.
The transition between indoor and outdoor spaces remains fluid. For those seeking friendly rivalry, the landscaped 8,000 square meter grounds feature a private paddle court, a 20-meter swimming pool, a jacuzzi, and a fully equipped summer kitchen serve as the home's social anchor. The estate functions as a private sanctuary. Located just minutes from Monaco, this home offers a masterclass in coastal sophistication, minus the pretense, but with all of the views.